Good afternoon, guys. Look what we got here. Another semi blown over by the wind. No injuries. Lots of oil, diesel spilt everywhere. We're going to work on flipping this back wheel. Get the rest of the cargo unloaded. Get it flipped back over, guys. We're back again, guys. Another semi rolled over on its side. Had some high winds again out here on the salt flats and some rain. Guess the wind just picked them up and flipped them over. There's nothing in the trailer, empty. We're just working on cleaning some oil, diesel, pulling the drive line, rigging up to it so we can get this thing off the road and get out of here. That's nice now. The wind died down. It's not raining. It's like 90 degrees again.
Before we flip her over. Beautiful day though. Not for this guy though. There's this side of the semi. There's some more shots. Salt flats. We got our light duty skidster ready. Get our cones out. Gonna get this baby flipped over. You'll see what happens next. Too short. But get us some views and likes so Jarrett can buy me a honey bucket porta potty, because it sucks being a girl on the side of the highway and being pregnant. 17 minutes on the dot. So that's not too shabby. Just getting floor dry out, and I'm gonna tow this puppy back to the yard. Gonna get this truck pulled out of the way so we can get the cleanup crew underneath. See that belly bump? Trailer looks nice. Not much damage really. The truck on the other hand, a little rough. Cleanup can happen under there and we can go home.
send it on back down the road. Well, we just had both of our trucks, our skids here. Flipped it right over. Now we're just doing some environmental cleanup, oil, diesel, cleaning up all the debris that kicked up. Yeah, it's hooked up. Next brakes on the trailer. Yeah, we're all hooked up to the truck. Just clean everything else up and get out of here. Be on to the next one. Well, we got her all done, dropped off here at the yard. Winched it back over out there. Cleaned up all the oil, all the diesel. So there's nothing leaking in our yard here. Got it all cleaned up. Got the trailer ready to be unhooked so they can come get it. And the truck's gonna go to scrap probably. It's totaled, I think, for sure. The trailer doesn't look like it's in bad shape. Reefer unit, it's missing the panel there. But other than that, not too bad of a job. I was able to save the trailer without causing any more damage. Didn't scratch a corner on that bad Larry. Pulling it over. Truck came right over with it. Rolled back over nice and smoothly. Hooked up nicely. But let me show you, the only thing that was a pain on this was these air lines. Back here on the back cab of the truck. So we come back here to release the brakes going to the trailer on these air lines. Release the brakes and it wasn't holding there, so walk back here and this chunk is broke off. So all the air was bleeding out of that when we released the trailer brakes, so we had to fix that. But other than that, there's the piece. I don't know if it broke off during the crash or had to have. But yeah, that's supposed to go on there like that. And it is clean broke off of that, so that is the only issue we had with this. And then one of the brake chambers was broken on the trailer back here. But yeah, other than that, all the tires aired up. Literally nothing wrong. This side looks like it's a brand new truck. Pulled the driveline out of there. Yeah. Reefer probably start right up, run again. Just ready for a few more miles on her. But that's a wrap on this truck. Great job to our team. Did a fantastic job. Everybody worked together. Everybody did their job. Nice, smooth recovery. We're getting really good at these. Doing them on our own.